Reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew. Chapter 11, verse 2 to 11. When John the Baptist heard in prison about the things that Christ was doing, he sent some of his disciples to him. "Tell us," they asked Jesus, Are you the one John said was going to come, or should we expect someone else?" Jesus answered, "Go back and tell John and what you are hearing and seeing. The blind can see, and the lame can walk. Those who suffer from dreaded skin disease are made clean. The deaf hear, the dead are brought back to life, and the good news is preached to the poor. How happy are those who have no doubts about me." While John's disciples were leaving, Jesus spoke about him to the crowds. "When you went out to John in the desert, what did you expect to see? A blade of grass bending in the wind? What did you go out to see? A man dressed up in a fancy clothes? People who just like live in palaces? Tell me, what did you go out to see? A prophet? Yes, indeed. But you saw much more than a prophet. For John is the one on of whom the scriptures say, God said, I will send my messenger ahead of you to open the way for you. I assure that John the Baptist is greater than anyone who has ever lived, but the one is least, the kingdom of heaven is greater than John. The Gospel of the Lord.